How's everybody doing? Welcome back to another video of the many roads we travel, unboxing Pro Wrestling Crate.
It's going to be the July box.
And Jensen's already excited about it. He wants to find out what's inside.
So we've been waiting all week, right? Put your fingers down. Got scissors. See, cut. Okay. Here it goes. Ooh.
Look at that later. Okay, so T-shirt of Eddie Guerrero. Don't worry, buddy. We're gonna find out what else is in there. Ooh, Bruiser Brody T-shirt. Yes, buddy. There's more in there. Don't worry. There's.
What?
And then there's. Oh wow, that's cool. So it's a Mad Ball of Oh, it's both of them. Okay. One side is Road Warrior Animal, and then on the other side is Road Warrior Hawk. That's really cool. And before, they made one of Rowdy Piper. They call them Brawler Balls. And then on the back, you can see it's both of them. At first, when I saw the back, I thought it was going to be two separate balls, but it's just a mashup between both of them to make one. Yes, buddy, there's more inside.
Look at Daddy's excited face.
It's a pin of Vader with the Mastodon mask.
Stop kicking the table.
And it looks like it's able to, you're able to take the mask off. That's so awesome.
Daddy, let me see.
Oh, it's, no. Okay, so it's a two-piece and magnetic enamel pin. So the Mastodon mask is a magnet that's, you can just take that off, and then you got the Vader as a pin, which is really awesome. Vader was one of my favorite wrestlers. And then it's actually stuck in there. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I see.
Guess these little holes in the boxes aren't really good.
No. How the hell did that happen? I don't know. Okay. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. It's Flying Brian Pillman. And they're doing the collector-friendly package again.
Because they keep going back and forth.
Yeah. So, as I said in a previous video, this is to where you can actually slide the back off and then take the figure out. And then when you're done, you can just slide the cardboard back into place. Because it has the little flaps and everything. And then just slide it in when you're done. It looks like you never took it out of the package. And then, ooh, Harley race sticker. Gone but not forgotten, the ladies of wrestling. So, doesn't look like there's any matches. It looks like it's just interviews about the different wrestlers, the female wrestlers, which we'll have to watch that later. And then the autograph 8x10. Let's see what we got.
How did Daddy get it? Let's look. Can't play with the box. Oh, look at the picture.
Oh, wow. It's New Jack. Unfortunately, he passed away a few months ago. That's actually really cool because
Maybe we need to get like a binder or something that we can put all your autographs in.
Maybe do that later today or maybe next week. So, see, buddy, there's nothing else in there.
All empty. Ta-da!
But yeah, I'm really excited about the Bruiser Brody t-shirt, the Mad Ball, Road Warrior's head. It's really cool. I actually do like the Mad Balls. I got some of the vintage Mad Ball, well, the head poppers, which were the actual figures, and then you push a button and then the heads would shoot off. But yeah, I hope they do make more of these. I think these are just really cool. And like I said before, I got Rowdy Piper. And I gotta say, this is probably my most favorite thing out of the whole box. The Vader pin. Awesome.
You can't have Daddy's shirt.
You wanna wear a shirt, buddy? When you're older, we'll get you a bunch of wrestling shirts, okay? Alright, well, that's going to do it for
The July
this
box.
episode of, July's episode of the Unboxing Pro Wrestling Crates. And as always, support your local wrestling because, today's local wrestlers could be tomorrow's superstars. And as always, this is Jensen, Amber,
Hi.
and Nick, and we hope to see you all soon. And please comment, like our videos.
Subscribe to our YouTube page if you're watching this on YouTube.
And as long as you guys, you keep watching the videos, you keep liking what you're seeing, we'll continue to make more videos. So, hope to hear from you all, and hope to see you all again soon.
Bye.
Bye.